So here we have the Ford Fiesta 5-door automatic on an 11 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's 5 doors, as I said, with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. We have the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that, the total miles for this car, which is 16,900. You can change information displayed there by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and car information. Back around to the beginning again. We back out to the steering wheel. We have stereo controls, and then the main stereo itself in the center just here with the screen that's directly above it. So when it comes to radio, you can see this car's got FM and AM radio. And then back round to the beginning again. We also have a CD player, and we've got auxiliary input. This car also has USB input, so if you plug a device into that, that'll appear up here as a further option for you. You can see the CD player just here. The main volume for the stereo, and the buttons I was using just a moment ago are here. We have deadlocks, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. Below that is the air conditioning for the car, so you can determine the fan speed, direction of the air, and the temperature. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. It will turn it off again as well. You can recirculate the air that's in the car by hitting that button. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. And you can turn those off as easily as you turn them on. We have a heated front screen just there, as well as the heated rear screen over on the right hand side. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then a 12-volt charging socket, USB and auxiliary input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.